In today's video, I'll show you how you can paper trade on Webull desktop. So let's get started. So here I am in the Webull desktop app, and the first thing that we must do is that you want to click here on click to log in on the top right, so that you'd be able to sync your progress and your details here in the app. And from here, you simply need to log in with your phone number, or you can go for email, Google, or Facebook, however you'd want to log in by using your account, or you could sign up if you don't have one yet by clicking here on sign up and provide the details. Now let's go to the paper trading tab by selecting here on the dollar icon right here on the left menu. It says paper trading, and this is where you'd be able to do the paper tradings right here. So you have your watch list, the chart, order book, order entry, time sales, and many more. And as you can see right here, you should log in first so that you'd be able to see the details here, your progress and whatsoever. So make sure to log in first. And if you don't like anything right here, then you can feel free to customize that. You can drag and drop this widgets right here, or tabs as you may call them, right there. You can rearrange them as needed, and then you can always click here on add widgets on the top right if needed, if you would want more graphs, or you would want to see more right here in paper trading, like let's say time and sales. So you can click on that and it will now be added in here. And you can now also expand that as you wish, so you could feel free to customize, and they would be able to fit perfectly right here, because as you can see, you can you could freely customize the size of each tab right here. And yeah, this is basically how you would be able to do this here on how you could do paper trading on Webull desktop. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.